Hello, welcome to the shed where we dig around. Hence the name of the show, Dickin' Around. The episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed episode series. You watching TBB and Doyle's channel. The blue bike, the black bike, the shed, the S10. Speaking of the S10, run that intro. Nope, still no new intro for the shed. But we are working on PO's S10 redesign again. What this makes third time? This probably be the last time. Who am I kidding? We'll see if this works. If not, we'll do something different. But anyway, what we're doing is we're going to install this, and then we're going to do this little thing takes up this whole, this is the same as this. So we're going to take, this is what I just showed you, is this in bigger scale model. It's something I whipped up just to hold it and all. Some of the stuff they already had, like all this I had to, these are all new, these are the old ones, and then I added the pressure. This is, we got to take these off, 4 of those, and put on the other one, and then all we gotta do is cut the hose. This is going away. There's something big going here that's going to go through there. These are going away. This whole thing, poof, gone. And like I said, going here and through there. So yes, we are going to cut a hole here, and we do that part so I can sit comfortable, so I can slide the seat back. My gut's getting too big. Either that, I'm gonna have to lose weight, and I like eating too much. So it's hard to believe this, what I'm holding in my hand is that right there, in a smaller scale, more compact. So we hope this works. I mean, this is what it's for. Control module for Airride. Those things I showed you. Let me set this down. Goes here, and the reason why I had to one up, one down, because they too big and it won't fit between here. Reason why this is here is because Home Depot only had 3 of those, and I ordered these, but I made a mistake when I ordered these, because these are 1/8, and I ordered 1/8 to 3/8, I think, or something. I don't know. I screwed up. These are 1/8 to 1/4, which is what those are. So I had to get a reducer. So hopefully this works. And then I was leaving this off because I want to see if these right here is called I guess the kind of a muffler, so the air comes out of the engine and you don't have lose all your air, you know. It kind of regulates the air, and I'm hoping, which is probably not, that these are 1/4. I might could scale up. We're gonna see, because I think all those are 1/2 inch, but I put these are 1/2 inch to 1/4. We'll see. If not, we'll just do it without it. But I'm gonna put this here, so I need something to raise. I gotta be able to, we're gonna fabricate a hickey doocher to mount this here, and then we gotta run wires to extend those wires back. This has already got a the controller, and it will reach from there all the way up here, so we don't have to do that. Here's the controller, which is a lot more buttons than I need and don't know. We'll figure it out when we get to that point. I mean, up, down, pretty much. So and it's all trash. This, something I ordered too. This is what's gonna make it waterproof. This is a slider, pass-through slide. I don't know what you would, the definition of it, but see, it fits in here. I know these work because we have used them before, and it's like a, if you had a camper share and you wanted to put this on your back window through the camper share so you wouldn't get water in, this is what it's for. That's coming later at phase 2, maybe. All right, folks, we sorry we won't finish today because I need some I need 1.5 inch bolt and nut. Well, you know, the nut to fit it. I don't know what size these are, but they gotta go through here so I can bolt this to the bracket I'm making, that I'm recycling some other stuff. So I'm gonna do this like this, and on the other side these gonna go, don't lose that, like this, somehow like that. Yeah, you can see where I'm going. Right now I'm gonna be going to Home Depot and get some bolts sometimes. Well, so this project's on hold till we get some bolt 1.5 inch this size. Yeah, tiny. And I figured out that this is how it's gonna have to work. One going this way, one going up, because this, you know, I done explained that, didn't I? If I didn't, you'll see it when it's done. So it's fixing to rain, and I need to go put everything back in the S10. And so if you want to, you feel like you need to watch some more dicking around, you can go watch that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button. We'll get back on the S10 when the time's right. We'll see you down the road.